back to Voodoo Garage. Today you join us at the end of the process and we're about to go back in time and see how today played out. So behind me I've got Mike McGee's Fiesta ST180. This car is running a VT330R and probably every other piece of hardware modification you could possibly buy on the market for one of these cars. Now Mike spends 90% of the time actually out on track opposed to the road, so so again, what we're going to do today is we're going to be exchanging Mike's standard manifold and housing off the VT330 for the Voodoo ported manifold and housing. So again, we'll get into a little bit more detail into exactly what that involves later on. Again, we are now at the end of the process, so let's go back in time, see what happened this afternoon, and we'll catch you very shortly.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Just moving into the workshop now. In my hand I've got the new housing that's about to go into Mike's car. Now Mike originally bought the VT330 when we first released the turbo itself. Originally we used to have around about a 37mm diameter on the housing, whereas now we put them out to around about 42, so around about 11% of an increase diameter wise, due to the fact that Mike's car predominantly spends a lot of time on track. Increasing that diameter is going to help to maintain a lower level of exhaust gas temperatures, which again is going to help him perform a lot better on track, keep the consistency of the power there for a lot longer, and yeah, hopefully we'll see a little bit of an improvement power wise when we go into the dyno. So I'll pass this on to Elliot now. He's going to fit it and we'll catch up with you very shortly once the process is complete.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill.
So job's now complete. Elliot's just going to take the car off the dyno. In the end, again, after exchanging the older manifold and turbo housing for the 42mm housing and manifold, we've now seen an improvement from last time the car ran around about the 300 horsepower mark at the wheels. This time we've managed to maintain a consistent 306 and just over 309 feet-pound of torque, I think it was. But if you are interested in learning any more about this, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll leave links in the comment section below to the ported manifold, the Voodoo VT330R, and other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.